Hi, this video is very important if you are a marketer, freelancer, agency owner doing marketing services or any kind of services because 95% of your skills will be irrelevant because of AI in 2024. So this video is very important which will show you how you can make money with AI even if you are beginner or if you are already doing these marketing services. So stay till the end. I am going to give you an amazing case study with which you can make 70,000 rupees or let's say 85,000 rupees, $1,000 just by having little smartness of using AI. Okay, so wait till the end. Okay, starting how you can make money using AI in 2024. First of all, many beginners are making mistake of using ChatGPT randomly. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand how you can make you best use of ChatGPT. That is your first goal. How you can get the better inputs, how you can get the better answers. So this is one skill. How to use ChatGPT is very important for you. So start using ChatGPT. Okay, one more thing. The best way you can use it now, instead of searching any query on Google, now go to ChatGPT and search the same thing. You will get better answers. You will get the specific answer, specific thing, and this way you will know like on which point, on which stage ChatGPT is giving better results, and you would be eventually smarter in using ChatGPT. Once you know how to use ChatGPT, then you can create your own custom GPTs. Now, this if you are already into market, if you are already having some skills, you can use custom GPT based on your skills and knowledge. Now, if you are a beginner, let's say you want to provide copywriting services, okay, but 100% using AI. Now understand one thing, you can't just 100% rely on ChatGPT or these AI tools. What you have to do, you have to understand the basic foundation, basic principles of copywriting, of skills, because skills are the most important thing. AI will be used to increase the speed, give the better output, or you can say make the work cost effective, and with the speed and more work you can do it. So AI will do that, but eventually the foundations of copywriting, foundations of designing, foundations of editing, foundations of creating an image, foundations of conversion rate optimization, you should know all of these stuff, right? So before directly jumping into AI tools, first have the foundations of that particular skills. Okay, then after having that foundations, after knowing what are the basic key elements of that skills, you can create your own custom GPTs. I'll explain you how. Let's say if you want to create a video script, now you know video script has three parts. Part number one is problem. Like you have to give the problem in the video. Your video should start with a problem. So part one is a problem. Second thing is why basically your customer cannot solve the problem by themselves and why they are stuck. This is the second step. Third, why are you the best person who can solve that particular problem? Then this is the third step. Fourth step, your call to action. Either buy my product, register my workshop, buy my templates, or do whatever your call to action is. So basically this is the fourth step video script formula. So until and unless you don't design this formula, using AI would be irrelevant because AI will give you very randomized answers. Now with this formula, if you know this 4-step formula, you can create a custom GPT telling that whatever output you give as per my formula, and eventually it will give the better output. Hope you got it. So create custom GPTs now for everything. Now let's go deep dive into what type of services you can provide in the market right now which can make you more money. So first and the most important skill is copywriting. Understand copywriting, if 3 years back I would say copywriting was the most essential skill and the highest paying skill of all high income skills. Highest paying skill of high income skills. Why? Because without copywriting, first of all, you cannot do anything. Even a video ad is copywriting. Even a landing page is copywriting. Email is a copywriting. Everything is a copywriting. And why it was highest? Because it used to generate the revenue, profits, and whatever thing generates revenue and profit, eventually market considers that as a highest income skill. So you have seen the sales, right? Sales is considered the most important department of any kind of business, right? Even though salespeople are given high pressure, but eventually it is the most important department and they are given extra commissions, extra money than any other department. Why? Because that's the highest income skill. Hope you got it. So that way copywriting was the highest income skill. So understand the foundations first. Foundations of copywriting are very important. If you are 100% beginner, if you are already a copywriter, start creating your custom GPT. We at our agency Funnels have already started creating custom GPTs and doing a lot more stuff with AI, which has made our process much faster. Second is email marketing. Now again the high income skill. People, many businesses like e-com businesses, coach lead generation businesses, real estate businesses. These businesses have lots and lots of leads into their database, but they are not able to send emails or send WhatsApp to all these leads regularly. If you go to a business and tell them you have 10,000 leads, what if I can regularly or weekly nurture these leads by sending an email with a good story, with your business message, with your business mission, with your business vision, you can get sales. So with email marketing, you are not just sending emails, you are actually generating sales. And when you are generating sales, you are the most important part of a business. And eventually people will be ready to pay you more money. Now when they are ready to pay you more money and you are doing with the power of AI, but you know the key elements of copywriting and key elements of email marketing both, you are doing a high income service and you can make more money just by using AI in 2020. See, AI is the most key element part here, because if you are not using AI, a sane person, if you are writing on your own, maybe you can serve 2 clients, but with AI you can now serve at least 3x of the clients you can serve with the traditional method. Now you can serve 3 clients. Now you can minimize the cost of a customer also. Okay, so this way either you can make more money with more speed. Okay, now comes social media. SMMA agencies, guys, it's not the time to start social media marketing agency right now. Only you can start only if you are using the power of AI. So you need to cut down on the cost of employees, cut down on the cost of other elements of the businesses, then only you can go into social media marketing agency. All your processes, all your systems, all your content, even the designing, editing and also publishing must be automated using these automation tools, AI tools, right? So AI is already there from past few years. These automation tools like Zapier, Make.com, are already there into the market. But the boom came when it actually started creating content. The ChatGPT came, it started creating content like human, right? And you can, for content, you can also use Copy.ai. It's an amazing tool. Go and buy the advanced version, pro version of it. It will definitely give you much better output than ChatGPT itself. Why? Because it's specific to copy. It knows the basic principles and basic fundamentals of copywriting. Why would you use even ChatGPT when a person who knows copywriting and is integrated with ChatGPT? So you would use that. Go use Copy AI and create a service out of it. Use Jasper. So you can use these tools and eventually make more money in 2024. Then LinkedIn content again. Now come to the altogether the different thing. Chatbot. Yes, this is going to be the next thing in 2024. Many people have already started creating these chatbots. Now what you can do, let's say that if there is a marketing agency, there are hundreds of questions employees ask to founder or operational team. How about we can create a chatbot with a knowledge base, and employee, rather than asking the founder or operational manager or the key person, how about he gets 95% of his work done with chatbot? Don't you imagine that would be much more beneficial for any big agency or any mid-size agency also to grow to the next level? So start implementing chatbot and wait till the end. I'm going to show you an amazing case study on chatbot, how you can implement chatbot on your personal self also and for your clients also. Then e-commerce industry is altogether a big industry, right? It needs more ads, it needs descriptions, Amazon descriptions on website, email marketing on e-commerce products. So it's all together the different industry. You can target that industry and start using the AI tools and focus particularly on that industry. It is altogether the different ball game. Then you can just focus on the video scripts. So video scripts which are specific to lead generation or specific to e-commerce industry. So you can either work only on one industry or you can work on one particular skill. So choose one industry or choose one skill and collaborate. Either you can collaborate that, like skill is the videos, we will give the video script service, that's a skill based service, or you can target e-commerce. So if you are an e-commerce business, I'll help you with lot more other things, maybe descriptions, maybe video scripts, maybe this, that, lot more in images. Okay, so this is it. Now coming to the most important part of this video, I'll give you one case study on how you can solve that one small problem. So let's say first understand the problem. Let's say I am the founder of an agency and I do lots and lots of expenses into my business or do a lot more personal expenses. Okay. Now what do? I have to manage those expenses. I have to manage my finances or expenses, whatever you can say. Now what do I do now? Either I do something, I do some expense, I take a screenshot, give to some human eventually notes down into the accounting sheet or basically Excel, and there are hundreds and hundreds of entries. Since I'm a business owner, there are lots and lots of expenses on daily basis going on in the background. So there are hundreds and hundreds of entry into my business account, there are hundreds and hundreds of entry into my personal account. Now imagine a particular person doing just this work on daily basis. So it's a very, very tedious task. A single person is allocated on this one task for the complete month, who can charge basically 30, 40, 50,000 rupees depending upon the experience. How this one thing person doing in one complete month can be 100% automated within few minutes. Now what you can do, all you have to create is a chatbot. And that too WhatsApp chatbot. So there are tools which can actually let's say your first step was you did an expense, you took a screenshot and given to the person. Now instead of giving to a person, what you have to do, you took the screenshot and added that into chatbot. You just see the steps are same. You were eventually taking the screenshot, but you were giving to the person. Now you just add it into the chatbot. Now what chatbot will do? Chatbot will eventually see that how much money you have spent. Why? Because now it has the screenshot. Everything is mentioned in the screenshot. Second, so it will see how much money. Step 1. Step 2. It will also see on which thing you have spent. It can be on the food, it can be on the petrol, it can be on the travel, it can be on the tool. So AI is smart enough to judge that by just name of that particular thing. Okay, so if you go into a Paytm while doing the payment, Paytm knows like this is just by the name, it knows if this is for the food, this is for the travel. So AI are smart enough to understand all of those stuff. And they are able to read that name and eventually understand the industry. So how much money it knows now, on which industry you have done it, on which particular thing you have done it knows. Now it automatically takes that, and with the tools like make.com, you can add that into your database. And not just that, a thing which human cannot do, which actually AI can do, you can apply the power of data analytics, same with the AI tool, and it can create the proper bifurcation of all the expenses you have done all on the automation. Don't you feel a thing which a person was doing, which was actually just recording 10 different or 100 different entries, now you have automated Plus, chatbot is giving you the suggestion on what particular thing you have. With the power of data, it is telling you what you have done wrong, on which month you have, on which part you have spent more, what should be reduced. Now you have that power of data also. So don't you feel this one single step which one particular human was doing can be automated and can be done within 5 minutes? That's the power of AI. And if for a particular business owner or for a particular business, if you can create this chatbot, why would he not pay you 85,000 rupees? Because you are saving 30 to 40,000 rupees every month. Every month, the cost of an employee. Why can't you charge 85,000 rupees or even 2 lakh rupees to that particular person? This is just one example of personal finance. Now understand a person running business, how many different problems he is having. And if you know these few tools, few things into AI, why can't you just solve these smaller problems and charge 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees every month and make more money using AI in 2024? Definitely you can. So if you like this video, subscribe. If you have a question, ask into comment box, and we are going to release such more videos with AI, how you can make more money, how you can actually implement these things, right? So if you loved it, just subscribe and just hit the bell icon, because amazing videos are going to follow. Thank you.